Are you looking for space, an unobstructed view of the Seattle skyline and the Space Needle, and a true South Lake Union living? This is the one. Welcome to 1000 Aurora Avenue right here in downtown Seattle. Let's tour this home together. A rare 2-bedroom, 2-bath home offering over 1,200 square feet of light-filled living with sweeping skyline views stretching from the Space Needle across South Lake Union. The open concept layout is designed for both refined living and entertaining, featuring custom marble countertops, luxury plank flooring, and expansive windows that keep the city as your backdrop. An exceptional feature is the oversized private patio with a fire pit, an outdoor extension of the living space ideal for evenings and hosting with skyline views. The primary suite is private and composed with double closet, a 5-piece ensuite bath, and second east-facing private patio. A spacious second bedroom offers flexibility for guests or a home office, also capturing city views. Include in-unit laundry, secured parking, guest parking, a fitness center, and a rooftop deck. For a private tour, reach out directly. Convenience, location, restaurants, freeway, very near Amazon and Microsoft and other big corporations. So what else are you looking for? So if you're thinking of buying, selling, or investing in real estate, don't hesitate to give me a call. This is Beverly Auffray of eXp Realty, the fastest growing real estate company in the world.